Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Business with Juliana. In this video today we will learn best and most popular passive income business ideas and about some unique type of businesses where you can make some passive income. We can start today. So let's start. Many people they have different imaginations what's passive income, and many people have it wrong. They think you simply do something very quick and very easy and you sleep, enjoy your life, and money comes to you easily. It's kind of tricky, it's true and not. You still need to invest your time into it and or your money. So what do I mean? Many people they say, oh look, I make so much money and I am so happy to have this passive income. They might be right, but very often they are hiding that they have millions of followers on their YouTube channel or on their Twitter, but more probably you don't have, or if you have, you are lucky. So definitely you will not have as much good success as them, but you still will make money. To be very fair, I still would like to clarify, I believe you must spend certain amount of time before you launch that product to be able to make passive income, or to dedicate at least a couple of hours a week if you would like to make that income source steady and regular. So let's dive into those business ideas which will bring you passive income. First one I would choose, it's creating some digital product. Digital product, it's one of the best and the easiest thing how you can make passive income. You need to spend some time in the beginning and create something, and then you market it properly, you sell it, and you receive passive income even when you are sleeping. So what it can be? It can be any digital product such as some planners, some templates, anything valuable that people are ready to pay for it. Second source, I would say it's creating a website or creating a YouTube channel. Why do I put it in the same category? Because to be able to consider it as passive income, you still need regularly create new and fresh content. With YouTube, it's new and fresh videos. With websites, it's new and fresh articles. What basically time consuming. With videos, it's a bit more complicated because you need to record it, you need to research materials before recording it, and then you need to edit it. Editing actually takes some time. If you don't feel so comfy about it and you have some budget, you definitely can outsource it. But if not, you need to spend some time in learning that process, how to edit your videos, and try to do it really attractive. If you are not feeling comfortable talking on camera and you still would like, but you want to share information with people, you can create a blog. I mean blogging website. Nowadays there are many different platforms where you can do it, but I would suggest for you to do it on WordPress. I am a web designer, so this is really my favorite platform, but because you can do so much about it. You are totally free, you can change anything you want, and you can put any ads there. So how can you make money with blogging website? First of all, with ads, you can use Google Ads, Mediavine when you are eligible, or anything else. You can use it directly from some advertisers. They can pay for you that you write some article about them, or you just simply feature their product. You can use affiliate links. So you don't need to create any products yourself at all. You just use some special affiliate link from someone else. So as soon as they press on it, they will be redirected to their website where people buy it, and when they buy it, you receive some commission. You put that link, you hide that link behind some banner or behind some text. And you can sell your own products. If you created something what you sell, some digital product or some course, you can put it on your website, so you attract visitors to your website with some valuable information, with some articles. They see it and then they have option to buy your product. For example, recently I created the goal setting planner, and I'm selling it right now. So I created a landing page on my website, so anyone who goes to any of my articles right now on my blogging website, they read that article and they see that I have that planner there. So this is truly passive income because I can do anything else in the time and money comes to my account. Next source of passive income, it's creating an affiliate website. It's a bit different than blogging website because in blogging website, you write more about your own experience, about your expertise. In affiliate website, you dedicate it to make money for you. You can do some reviews about some gadgets. For example, you would like to make some reviews about some cosmetics or anything else, and you hide there some affiliate links. So when someone presses on some of those items, they will be redirected to that website where they have opportunity to buy that product. Next one, I would say, is creating an ebook. Ebook, it's really great source of passive income because you write something, you spend some time, but when it's ready, you market it, you place some ads, you sell it, and you make passive income. Isn't it great? You don't need to worry that it takes a lot of time or effort, or you need to stop everything else doing in your life just writing that book. No, just create for yourself which topic you would like to feature in your book. You know, people say that every person is like a book. Each of us, we have some knowledge, some unique experience, which we would like to share with others. It's really great way to do. Especially nowadays, there are really so many different tools you can use even for free to design your book. You just put your text there and it's designed for you, so it's really simple. Next one is creating a course. You know, so many people, they really made huge amount of money just by selling their courses. Nowadays, it's so easy to do. You can do it on some third-party platforms such as Teachable, Udemy, Kajabi, or many of them. So you just create some content, you place it there, they do all the administrative things on your behalf. Or if you are more familiar with computers and all of those softwares, you can do it yourself. For example, on WordPress, as I mentioned before, you can create a website and install their special plugins, and you can have your own school in your own website. So you don't need to pay any money at all for someone else, because when it's some third-party companies, you need to pay for them or monthly fees or some percentage from your sales, or mostly it's both. It's some monthly fees and some percentage from your sales. So it's up to you. You want to make it easier and they take care about all of these administrative things, or you can do it yourself and check everything yourself, so all income will be yours. I suggest for you still to start it with third-party companies, so basically you can more concentrate on your content and pay more attention about what do you have exactly inside your course. But if you feel that you can do it yourself, you are very welcome to. Next one is stocks and shares. Actually, it was super actual last year and many people made really great amount of money on stocks. But this year it's a bit different situation. So I suggest for you to start really safe. You know, don't put all of your money which you have exactly in investment, because many people, they hear, oh, I'm investing, and they think that they will become millionaires next year. So it's very tricky. I would suggest for you to start safe. Better start with secure portfolio. You will not make as much money now, but it's fine, believe me. Better to make smaller money but regularly than to have very risky portfolio and you have opportunity to make more money now, but the same you have opportunity to make big minuses tomorrow. So you need to decide which risk you are ready to tolerate. So these were more classic types, most common. Mostly when people say that they make passive income, this is these sources they use. And now I will mention for you some unique type of businesses you can do and receive some passive income. First of all, and very interesting, is renting storage property. So if you have some property you don't use, for example, some space in basement or some room you don't use, you can rent it as a storage. I was quite surprised that approximately 11% of Americans, they rent storage. It can be easy and great passive income, because basically you sit, you don't do nothing additional for it, and money comes to you. Next one, quite similar, you can sublease property to housemates. If you have some additional room you don't use in your place, you can simply rent it out to someone else and they pay money for you. Especially it's useful tip for some students or some young people. Next one, you can rent your car. For example, you are traveling a lot and you are not using your car daily, or you have 2 cars and one member of your family is working on rotation. It's especially very common in Canada So you can simply rent that car and make additional money out of it. Next one is very similar to previous one, but it's rent your place where you live as Airbnb. So you will receive additional money when someone else can come and use your space. If you have some free room you don't use, some guest room, you can rent it to some tourists and make extra money. I know one couple who likes to travel a lot, and as soon as they go to travel somewhere, they rent their apartment with Airbnb, and it covers all their expenses when they are traveling. So it's really great, it's amazing. Basically they are traveling almost for free. They just pay for their tickets and their food, but everything else is covered because someone else lives in their apartment and pays them for it. Next one is very unique one, it's by royalties. There are website Royalty Exchange where you can buy some royalties for some particular movie or for some song. So when someone else is using that song or movie, they will need to pay royalties for you. Next one is buy and sell domain names. It's really interesting. I know some guy who bought some domain name and later sold it 6 times more expensive. So if you are quite creative and you can buy some domain name which you think potentially later might be really in need, so people might pay for you more for it later. Next one is sell stock photos. If you are some photographers, anyways it's your hobby to take beautiful photos, so why not to sell it? There are many different websites where you can sell your photos. Even if in the beginning you receive some amount of money, it's also passive income. You made that photo, you posted it on that website, and it simply generates you income. It's nice. Next one, really interesting, renting baby gear. There is a website babyequipped.com where you can rent used baby gear. It's really amazing. For example, I am a mom of one son and we bought so many different things for him and we didn't use it for so long time. You know, kids grow really quickly and many things you need in the beginning, such as bottle sterilizer, breastfeeding pumps, and other things. If you will use it for a short time, so it's better to rent it from someone than buy it new and pay so much money, and or buy it from marketplace used and then have headache how to sell it. If I would know about that website earlier when I just delivered my son, so I think we would really consider this website even for ourselves. If you have such tools and you think that maybe in the future you will have one more child, so you don't want to sell those things, so why not to rent it? You can rent it and make extra money for yourself. Next one is lease equipment. For example, if you have some unique equipment, you can simply rent or lease it for someone else. If you renovated your place and you bought so many tools which basically you don't use anymore on daily basis, you can rent them or lease them for someone who might use it now. So again, it will bring for you passive income. Next one, vehicle advertising. If you are fine to have advertisements all over your car, you can go to a website and they will help you to connect with companies who would like to place ads on your car. Please let me know in comments what other business ideas you have. I'm sure there are plenty of them. I'm always interested to learn new things and share it with you guys in my next videos. Follow me on Instagram. My profile is ProfisCan. There I share daily motivational quotes, inspirational and different business tips, marketing tips, sales tips, so everything related to business. So if you want to be successful in business and to learn something new, follow me on Instagram. Don't forget, subscribe. See you soon.